Hi guys, nice to see you again.
I recently made this beautiful resin cabochon pendant,
which is super easy to make with just PVA glue and UV resin. The crystal clear gemstone texture blends with dreamy swirling colors.
plus the cabochon's
Convex shape magnifies everything beautifully. Perfect for wearing yourself or gifting to loved ones. The process is surprisingly simple. The keys lie in viscosity control and bubble removing techniques of each resin. Just follow my steps, and even beginners will make it on the first try. So let's dive into today's crafting together. Let's see what materials and tools we need first. A mixing cup, mixing stick, small paintbrush, toothpick, electric mixer pro, white UV resin, clear UV resin, scissors, drill, Cabochon mold, protective gloves and masks, pliers, blue tack, or you can use other putty instead, jewelry findings, alcohol ink, wireless UV light, and PVA glue. First, prepare the required transparent cabochons. Mix part A and part B at a 1:1 ratio by volume evenly. Then use Air Zero bubble remover to remove bubbles. Pour the epoxy resin into the cabochon mold and let it cure at room temperature, 77 degrees Fahrenheit or below 25 degrees Celsius, for 8 hours before demolding. If you'd like to use UV resin, you can warm the bottle first so resin becomes more fluid and there are less bubbles. After pouring resin into the mold, fully cure by exposing both sides to UV light for 3 to 5 minutes before demolding. Take a small mixing cup and trim down the sides with scissors to make a shallow container. Pour a small amount of PVA glue into the container as a base layer. Gently tap it to bring bubbles to the surface, then pop them by blowing lightly. If your PVA glue is thin, let it sit at room temperature at 77 degrees Fahrenheit or below 25 degrees Celsius in a wind-free environment for about an hour before proceeding. Add alcohol inks to the PVA glue, then wait about 10 seconds to allow the inks to concentrate and mix with the PVA glue. Use a toothpick to create patterns in the colored areas. Gently tap the container to bring the bubbles to the surface, then blow to pop the bubbles. Allow 15 minutes for the patterns to set. Now take the prepared clear cabochon resin piece and secure the other end of the paintbrush with blue tack. Press the cabochon into the pattern in one consistent direction to pick up the colors, then lift it out following the same direction. Gently scrape excess resin along the container's edge to reduce bubbles and accelerate the curing process. However, pay attention not to scratch back patterns. Remove the cabochon and place it upside down on the working table. Wait for the PVA glue to dry. You can place it in a ventilated area to accelerate the drying process. You can see that the dried PVA glue will become transparent. Carefully clean the residual PVA glue from the edges, then place it upside down on the mold. Apply a layer of white UV resin to the back side to highlight the patterns and cure it under UV light for 2 minutes. Drill a hole in the cabochon, then attach your jewelry findings. And that's it.
Your resin cabochon pendant is complete.
Easier than you thought, right? This stunning piece will go great with any outfit. And that's all for today. If you have any questions about the making process, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy crafting, everyone. See you next time.